Hello everyone, and I am back for another tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use bio links, and in these bio links, you can use them um, either as a business card, you can use them in your Instagram link in bio area. You can also use them in Facebook if you're looking to kind of show quick content. So I'm gonna go over how I like to kind of create my bio link in Canva. But the reason why I kind of create it in Canva and import it into my system is because I like to kind of track the visits. Like I want to know how many people are actually taking a look at my bio link. And then also because I have my Facebook meta pixels tied to the landing page. Um, Within my CRM is another reason why it's really important for me to create it and host it in my CRM. So, with that, let's kind of get started. The first thing is if you are creating any funnels slash landing pages or even a full on website with inside the Gypsy CRM system, you are going to need to link in your domain. If you are signed up with us, linking your domain or your custom domain is a part of the onboarding process, and our onboarding team will definitely get you set up for that. But just keep in mind that you're always going to have to decide what domain you want to use. If you're using multiple domains, like you want to have like a site dot your travel website name, or if you want to have say quotes dot my travel agency name. In the beginning, underneath your steps, if you go to settings, you will also see here domain. And then from the domain area, you can import whatever domain that you're looking to use. You can import your favicon, any tracking that you guys may have. And from there, you always see the sales or stats area as well. But we're not using a checkout form, so sales would not be applicable to this. In my link in bio, like I said before, I am using the design elements that I got from Canva, but also more importantly, with this design element, when you're looking at it from your phone, which is really how bio links work, you're not going to see the whiteness on the sides here. One thing we're going to look at, and this is a little different because this is my updated one. In Canva, I kind of found an IG or Facebook story size post. And in that post, I just kind of created the design that I wanted. I brought in the elements, like the photo in the background, the color choices, the letter formatting, all of that. I chose the one that fit with the branding or the vision of the branding that I wanted to portray. In addition to that, when I got to the shapes versus the words, you want to make sure that you are selecting the actual shape so that it turns purple, and also the words so that they turn purple. If you are going to click Shift Control or Shift Command, if you're using a Mac computer, Shift Command, you would hold these two shapes together and then group them inside of your Canva design. Once you have them grouped, you want to link it, meaning link it to the landing page or website that you're looking to get the traction on. So for me, my link is to my vacation request form. So if someone clicks on it, it goes to my landing page within my CRM that takes them to, hey, this is how you get a quote from me. And you can have whatever process this is for you. Like I could have completely cut out this landing page and only brought them directly to the form I want to use to create or collect, I should say, their vacation request. So when you have, say, I'm going to go back to my planning. When I have this vacation request here, you double click your URL and you're going to copy that URL. And then from your link in the bio, I'm going to just select my photo for a second. When you have the element selected that you want to add the link to, you would click these three dots and you would come down to where it says link, select the link and paste in your URL. When you do that, Canva automatically updates slash saves everything, which is very handy. So now anytime when someone is viewing your link in bio and they click on that particular element, it's automatically going to take them over to the link or action you want them to take. So for me, I've got vacation requests, I have Virgin Voyages, I have become a travel advisor. Join our tribe is like an invite to our Facebook group. My highlighted group trip, which is our VIP Thailand, and then there's join my tribe again. This is just a test environment, but essentially, I want you to see kind of what these buttons look like. I'm going to ungroup these so that you can kind of see like the join the VIP. That is just the lettering, and I already linked that to the Facebook group invite. So once that is linked, you also hold down your shift key and select that square or whatever shape button you're using, select it so that way you can group them together, right? Then come to the three dots and add that hyperlink URL code to wherever you would like the button to work. Once you have done this and your design is complete in Canva, very first thing I would say is make sure that your link or your page is named correctly the way that you would hope someone that is viewing it is going to be able to see, because this name is client facing. Um, then you want to go to the share button. And because we are putting this into our landing page, we are basically embedding this into our landing page. So for me, instead of doing download or template or view link, I'm going to do more. And in my more area, I'm going to come to my embed code. The embed code is pretty long. So all I want to do is go to the HTML embed code at the top and select copy. That's it. That's the only thing that I want to copy. And when you are inside, I'm going to add a new step just for this. When you are in your page, essentially, or your landing page within the CRM system, I am going to create from blank. And as it's loading up, I like to choose the full width, but that's just because I kind of want to see things. I like to go with a 3 column because I know I'm going to be adding my um, link and bio, like center. I want it to be smack dab in the center of this thing. And then I'm going to scroll down until I see my HTML embed code icon. And when I do that, I also see over here where it says Open Code Editor. In the code editor, all you're doing is copying and pasting, because as you can see, it's quite a bit. And we don't know HTML code. For the most users, as you say, don't know HTML code. So we don't want to get confused or jack up any of these um, key frames. You're going to hit save. Even once you save it, you're not going to be able to see it right away. So save it. You can add in any type of SEO that you want. I'm just putting in test here. And then I'm going to hit preview. When you hit preview, it's going to show you what it looks like. So just kind of imagine that there's none of this white space to the left or the right. And all your clients are seeing is this area in the middle. Now, I'm going to do this real quick. You can see right here, it says bio link, and then the name, the bio link 10 by 80 by Sade Howard. That's essentially what Canva is telling this particular project. So that's what I was saying. It's very important for you to make sure that whatever you name it, that you're naming it something that you can be proud of. But more importantly, when you come back to your custom code editor here, you'll see right here it says BioLink 1080. This, if you just copy it and click off, delete it, you can click save again, preview, and as you can see, it is gone from the bottom. So keep that in mind, and I hope that this tip is very helpful for you and that you guys keep creating amazing things. I will drop a link for a couple of different bio links that are available in Canva. If you would like to use my specific link, I will also share the template that I started with. So I started using a Canva template and I just made it my own. But I will share that with you as well. And as always, I hope you guys have an amazing day. My name is Sade Howard, and I am your tech girly.